On the night of April 18, 1775, Revolutionary leader Dr. Joseph Warren urged William Dawes and Paul Revere to ride to Lexington to warn Samuel Adams and John Hancock that British soldiers were coming. Dawes crossed the Boston Neck just before soldiers closed the town. Revere rode to Charlestown, borrowed a horse, and headed out. The two riders alerted the houses along their different routes. They converged in Lexington, warned Adams and Hancock, and then set out for Concord, where the Massachusetts Provincial Congress had stored arms and ammunition. As they rode, young Dr. Samuel Prescott, who was courting a girl from Lexington and was headed back to his home in Concord, came up behind them. He joined them to alert the town, pointing out that his neighbors would pay more attention to a local man. About halfway to Concord, British soldiers caught them. They ordered Revere to dismount, took his horse, and turned him loose to walk back to Lexington. Dawes escaped, but his horse bucked him off, and he too headed back to Lexington on foot. But Prescott jumped his horse over a stone wall and got away to Concord. The three men had done their work. Local residents spread the news that the regulars were coming. By the time Revere made it back to the house where Adams and Hancock were hiding, militiamen were converging on Lexington Green. On that chilly, dark morning in April, so were the British soldiers.